Whither shall you wander, Mr. Water Ponder? So this water has not found an exit, so it's just hovering. It can't find this scupper to exit because the scupper is upper. It's too high. So here we have about an inch of water ponding and collecting along this edge. So you can see a slight triangle. It's called a water splitter, which is also known as a cricket. Here again, the water can't find a way. No water exiting. We need water exit, but it can't exit up. It needs to exit down. So we're going to rebuild that. And we're going to rebuild these sloping triangles. So the triangle is going to come out farther so the water can find a hole and get full access to the exit. Get out of here. Go, 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 go.